The simplest way to add color to any of the Buddy Rhodes blended mixes is by using one of the Buddy Rhodes Signature Collection pigments. These 15 pigments are pre-blended and are classic colors for any concrete project. Find a color solution that fits your needs. Whether creating concrete countertops, concrete sculptures, or architectural concrete, these pigments are perfect for any artisan concrete application. The signature colors all feature the same convenient dosage. Add a 1 pound unit of Buddy Rhodes Signature Collection pigment to one 50-pound bag of any Buddy Rhodes blended bag mix for perfect color every time. In this short video, we will show how easy it is to use these powder pigments from the Buddy Rhodes Signature series. For this video, we chose Earth. Start by adding chilled water to a clean mixing vessel and adding a 1 pound unit of the Signature series pigment of choice and blend well. Prior to adding any concrete mix, we blend the pigment in the water to help with the dispersion. You can vary this dosage by decreasing or increasing, but never more than 2 pounds per 50-pound bag. Next, we begin by adding our 50-pound Buddy Rhodes Craftsman mix and blend until homogeneous, scraping the sides to incorporate material. If you are using less than a full bag of concrete for your project, reduce the amount of pigment in proportion. When making a half bag batch or 25 pounds of concrete, use a half pound of pigment. You will know the concrete is blended well once you see a consistent color throughout the mix. No white clumps or streaks. We chose Buddy's press technique for this example. This is mixed to a thicker clay-like consistency and showcases the color well. For the full mix design, check out the Buddy Rhodes website link in the description. Once placed, cover the casting with plastic and an insulating blanket and allow to cure. The next day, uncover the casting and flip onto its edge to demold and reveal the finish. At this stage, you could add bone paste to the voids or glazes to augment the colors if desired. Process and seal the piece before putting into use. Be aware, sealers may enhance or darken the final color. Be sure to perform a test to determine the outcome. The Buddy Rhodes Signature Collection gives you the easiest to use pigment option for your project. You can learn more and find additional pigments in the Buddy Rhodes color wheel on our website.